Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you looking for something where you really want to achieve a lot of things in less time? Also, do you want to live a life where you get rid of all the bad habits that you have been living for ages, or you want to get rid of certain things like fear and phobias? You want to get rid of, or you want to break down all the beliefs that you have been carrying for so long, and you want to step into a wonderful magic of conversational hypnosis, but with the right intention and with the right approach. So, if you're looking for all of these, I think you should join our webinar on NLP, which is a Neuro Linguistic Program, which is a very scientific way how you can actually control your brain and how you can control yourself, with which you can see all the results that you want to cultivate in you. So do not miss the opportunity. This is a free workshop and you should grab this opportunity and just join in, and let's see you in the webinar. So thank you. Take care. Bye bye.